to the rail design workflow. In this particular workflow, we're going to go over a number of the different platforms within the AEC collection, and we're going to start with RECAP Pro. As we start with RECAP Pro, we want to establish our directory where we're going to obtain the LAS files from. And within RECAP, we have a couple different options where we can revise the intensity of the point clouds that we're importing. But the first thing we do want to do is to establish our coordinate system. In this area, we are in zone 8 of the Lambert zone in France. And so we'll establish that both for our current and for our target coordinate systems. And depending on the size and the number of the LAS files that we import, this process can take a while. But once we've got those files loaded, we'll launch our project here, and we can see our point cloud right here. And we've got a number of different ways that we can view that, either by elevation or by intensity, or we can actually do it by scan locations. And that, as it turns out for this particular point cloud, that's going to be the best way to view this particular cloud. And so we'll pan through and kind of see that we've got a tunnel on this project. We can see the rails, we can see the ties and the sleepers. And then as we zoom out and take a look at some of the other point cloud areas, we can see that we've got a curved platform in this as well. So RECAP allows us to establish regions or project limits for our particular project, and we can view those here. We can turn those things on and off and set those limits as we need to. We can also view the different point clouds that we brought in individually, but ultimately what we want to do is to optimize this data. So we're going to save this as rail project, and we're going to go ahead and optimize this data now.